Hey all, Katie Shelton here. In this segment, we are going to learn how to actually create your Bitmoji virtual classroom. So what I need you to do is to please open up a blank Google slide. Once you get there, your screen should look very similar to mine. I'm going to ask that the first thing you do is go ahead and title this new presentation that your virtual classroom. So mine is going to be my Shelton virtual classroom number 2. Now, hopefully you've been thinking about what it is that you want your classroom to look like. And because I've already created my classroom, I'm going to begin to make a virtual classroom that's just kind of for fun. So let's get started. Please click on the first slide and simply go to Slide, Apply Layout, and change that layout to blank. That'll get rid of all of your text boxes and such. At this time, now you're going to go to Background. And you're going to want your background to be similar to a real classroom or a real room. And so you're going to want to choose an image of a wall and floor background. Go ahead and type wall and floor background in. I'm just going to use this one for the purpose of this particular presentation. And you'll notice as I insert it that I have both a floor and a wall. The next thing you're going to do is begin putting pieces of your room together. So simply click on Insert Image and search the web. What I am going to do is I'm going to begin with a whiteboard. I have used this whiteboard before, so I'm going to insert that because I know it works well. And a lot of this is just simply playing around. You can resize this. You can place it anywhere in the room that you like. As I mentioned, since I've already done my classroom, I'm going to just kind of make this for fun. So I'm going to go to Image and search the web again. And this time I'm going to insert a couch into my classroom. I'm going to get this ugly mustard yellow couch and insert that into my room. But I don't really want my couch to be mustard yellow. So what I'm going to do is I am going to actually change the color of that. To do that, on your trackpad, simply double click with 2 fingers and go to Format Options. There are a few options for recoloring. And so under Recolor, look at the different colors. You could change it to gray to match the room, maybe kind of a turquoise. I'm going to go kind of a nice deep teal color. And now I'm going to actually insert a bookshelf. I know for some of you that teach elementary school, you have bookshelves, English teachers in your room. So we are going to go to search the web and we're going to include a bookshelf. Oops, and we're going to add bookshelf clip art. Notice the word transparent. That's also something you may want to try as you're searching images. So that you don't have any strange backgrounds behind those things that you're trying to add. So I'm going to put my bookshelf over here. And I can tell you, I already searched in preparation for this for the book, Walter the Farting Dog, and couldn't find it in my images from Google Slides. So I've already pulled up a tab with Walter the Farting Dog, and I am actually just going to copy the image. And I am going to paste that into my bookshelf. Now, we do need to be careful about copyright, etc. So you will want to make sure, or at least state where you got your resources. I'm going to put old Walter the Farting Dog up here. And now you can begin linking like a read aloud to that. So I've also pulled that up on YouTube, and I found a read aloud of Walter the Farting Dog. And if I click on that, I am going to want to, first of all, approve it. Oops, pardon me. I'm going to want to approve that for Concord Community Schools. And then I'm going to want to get this link, and I am going to copy the link and simply go back to my virtual classroom. And I am going to, insert, here we go. Maybe I'll do it this way. I'm just going to do a link, and I'm going to paste that there. Please stay tuned to the next segment of this video to find out a little bit more about what you can do in your Bitmoji classrooms.